Hi viewers, I am Sainul and in this video I will show you how to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. Don't skip the video. Okay, let's see. At first, go to your cell phone settings, tap on connections and tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you have connected to the Wi-Fi network and select the setting icon. In the password block and tap on I icon. Confirm your identity. Now we can see the Wi-Fi password. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.